Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this molang and pew pew jiggly pudding, a light smooth firm yet soft milky pudding, pairs with chocolatey creamy chocolate custard. And to make it more special, we will serve them in individual edible chocolate cup. It's really an easy, simple yet stunning dessert. You can make them ahead of time and serve on a dinner party. And these puddings are going to be so cute and delicious. So let's get started. To start our pudding, bloom the gelatin with cold water and let it stand for about 3 to 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, pour the milk and sugar into medium saucepan. Cook until the mixture is simmering or reach about 60 degrees Celsius. Then mix the lovely bloom gelatin into the milk. Stir until well combined. Just simple as that. I will use my pretty Chinese teacup and this super tiny measuring cup as pudding molds. They are perfect for this project because they have a round bottom shape, quite similar to our lovely character set. So for molang, I just pour the white pudding mixture into the big Chinese teacup. Then I coloring the rest with a bit yellow food coloring for the pew pew. Pour them into a small tiny cup and store them in the fridge for at least 6 hours, preferably overnight. These type of puddings are quite soft, so I suggest to prepare them one day in advance to make sure that they are firm enough before we unmold them. And for the chocolate custard, we are gonna mix the sugar, cocoa powder, corn flour, and salt into the saucepan. Add in the egg yolks and mix until just combined. Then gradually pour in the milk and whisk until no lumps remain. Cook the mixture over medium heat. Keep stirring until it starts to boil and the mixture thickens. Take it out from the heat. Add in the unsalted butter and rum or vanilla extract. Mix well. Strain the custard to get rid of any lumps. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then cover the surface with plastic wrap, pushing it directly on top of the mixture. Make sure there are no air pockets to prevent skin formation on top of the custard. Then let it chill in the fridge for about 2 hours. And for our sweet edible cup and decoration, you will need to prepare some templates for the details. Stick some greaseproof pepper on top of the templates. And don't forget to apply some shortening to greaseproof pepper to prevent the chocolate stick to the pepper surface. Now we can start creating our molang and pew pew details. Molang cherry blast with rose pink chocolate. Her sweet little eyes with dark chocolate. Using white chocolate to create her ears and tiny hands. And also don't forget her cute tongue. Continue with our sweet pew pew. Oh, so cute! Let them set hearts in the fridge for about half hour. Moving on, let's continue on our sweet edible cup. I am using these 4 ounces houseware silicone molds for the cups and also donut molds for the cup saucers. And for the chocolate, instead of using couverture, I recommend to use regular baking chocolate compound. It's similar to Wilton candy melts. We don't have to temper the chocolate, so it's easier for us. So basically, we just melt and coloring the chocolate. And then what we are going to do is just fill up our molds here. Fill it right up to the top. And because we want them to be hollow, we are now going to flip it right over to make sure all the excess drips out. Scrape the edge of any dead excess. We don't want it to be a real jagged looking cup. I repeated this 2 times. Make sure you let this set in between each layer. Then continue with the cup saucers. Store them for about 10 minutes in the fridge so they are completely solid and set. I know this kind of mold a bit hard to find and some of you are not keen to purchase it. Actually, you can use silicone cupcakes liner for a better option or maybe other shape. Then manually make simple circle chocolate decoration on parchment paper for the cup saucers. And to unmold them, what we are going to do is just pull that silicone away from it, being very careful not to crack the chocolate that's inside. And what I did to kind of fancy it up was dip the rim of the chocolate cup into the melted chocolate and then dip that into the nonpareils. Beautiful. Stick the cup onto the saucers with some melted chocolate. And now we are ready to assemble our lovely dessert. So here I crushed some Mary biscuit for layering in between the custard to add crunchiness and strengthen the base of the pudding so it won't sink too much. You can use digestive or maybe Oreo, that will be great too. Then slowly and carefully unmold our lovely molang and pew pew. Look how jiggle these puddings. Oh, so cute. So place our molang and pew pew pudding on top our lovely chocolate custard. Stick all the details. And it's done! I'm so excited! Look, it looks like it's shivering. Oh, I can't stop playing with them. I love this pudding so much. What I love about this pudding is that not too sweet and it's pretty light. There's something so satisfying about spooning out that first bite. It should keep its shape on your tongue, and until you sink into it, it will dissolve into a velvety smooth multi-bite. It's the perfect setting to end a dinner party, and I'm sure that everybody will love them. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Bim Bum Kitchen for more cute treats and best recipes. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone!